Do you like earbuds? Of course you don't. They're hard to carry around. They always get tangled up, and your friends can just pull them out of your ear at any time. They're bad, and it's just a pain every time. You have to plug it in. You have to always plug it into your phone. So annoying, and then you have to actually use your phone to select the music. It's so annoying. If only there was an easier way, but there is. So a lot of you probably know about Apple's AirPods, but they cost a lot of money. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make free AirPods. So you start with earbuds. They can be any type of earbuds, like they can be Samsung earbuds like this, or they can be 2011 Apple earbuds like this. They can be any type of earbud as long as they have as long as they're wired. Like, so if they have this thing, it will work as long as they're wired earbuds. So all you need for this is scissors and earbuds. So what you want to do? These earbuds are already broken. Like, they can be broken. Like this one. This snapped yesterday, so they can be broken. They can be perfectly operating, but it's better if they're broken. So it doesn't matter the condition, but what you do is you take your scissors and your earbud, and right here, right before the wire comes out, just cut it. And it might take a while to do it, but you should come out with something like this. And then do it to the other side as well. And you have the other earbud. So then, with all this, the remaining stuff, you can just throw that out. Yep, and then now you have two earbuds. So now what you can do, I'm just going to take this headset off. Alright, so you take your earbuds, put them in your ear, and take out your phone. To go into settings. So once you're on your phone, you want to, again, this works with any type of phone, so just go into settings. Once you're in settings, it will depend on the different phone you have. Go into connections, and into here, click Bluetooth, and then you want to turn on your Bluetooth. So you can see Bluetooth is on. So once your Bluetooth is on, there should be a connection, and it should just say AirPods. So you want to click that, connect, and then what you can do, just for the first time you set it up, you want to go into whatever music app is, so either Spotify, iTunes, or Google Play, and you can just select whatever song you want. Click that, and it will play through your earbuds. If you want to skip the song, you just take the earbud and tap it twice. If you want to go back, other earbud, tap it twice, and yeah, that's how you make Apple AirPods for free. So you can do this with any type of earbuds, any type of wired earbud, and it works perfectly fine. So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.